Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be solving this drawing of FreeCAD in our FreeCAD software. So let us draw this drawing. So first of all, we have to open your FreeCAD software. Let's open it. Okay, it's taking some time to open. Okay, it will open. Okay. Initial running. Okay. It has opened, as you can see here. So now we have to click here, left click on create new, double click we have to do here, double click. Now here start, as you can see here, there we have to select here part design, select here part design. Now we have to left click on create body, thereafter left click on create sketch, thereafter select XY plane. Here also we have to select XY plane. Now click on OK. Okay, this is what we have done now. Now your first task is that you have to select line option here, draw here two line, one line here. It is already constrained, as you can see here, red line it's pointing here, as you can see here, red line here. Now draw here one more line. Okay, it's not constrained, so to make it constrained, click on this option, then click here. Okay, now it's constrained. So what should be the dimension of this? So dimension of this both should be 38. So make it 38. Make this dimension 38. Click here, then again click here, and make it 38 here. 38. Similarly, this one also you make it 38. We are clicking both side so that it will be easy for us to make. And since we do not have the mirror option here, in our FreeCAD we do not have the mirror option. That is why we are making both the side together. We are taking so that it will be easy for us and it will be it will not be time consuming for us. That is why we are taking both the side together. So 38 we have taken. Now select this point. Select this point, right? Point. Then select this point. Make it constraint here. Similarly, select this point. Point. Select this point. Then again select this point and make it constraint here. Okay, one step we have already done. 38 both side we have done it. One task is completed. Now next one is that we have to make one line. That should be 18 millimeter both side. So both side draw one line we have drawn. It's not constrained, as you can see here. On another line it's also not constrained. Make it constrained, no problem. Make it constrained here. Make it constrained. How we have made constraint? This option we have chosen. If there will be vertical sign, then vertical one we have to choose to make it constraint, as you can see here, pointer pointing here. Okay, right. If there will be horizontal, as we have done this one, so this option, horizontal option, we have to choose. What will be the dimension of this? Both will be 18 millimeters. So let's check the dimension of both. Let's take dimension of both 18 millimeter and this one also 18 millimeter. Now task is to join here. So let's join this point, then select this point and join it. Similarly, this point and this point, this point, join it. Okay, one more step is completed. Now we have to draw here one more line, this horizontal line, and that horizontal line should be 5 millimeter. So let us draw to both side horizontal line, small horizontal line. Okay, it's not constrained, we can make it constrained easily, no problem. It's constrained, as you can see a red line pointing here. To make it constrained, this one, select the horizontal one, constraint. Now choose the dimension of this 5 millimeter horizontal. This one we have to choose to take the dimension of horizontal one, constraint horizontal distance. Okay, this option we have to choose. Now left click on this. As we left click on this, we'll get the option. So it should be 5 millimeter. So 5 millimeter. This one also should be 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter. Okay, now join this point. Select this point this side. It should be inward, that is why select left side, left one, and select this one and make it constant, so that this come this side it comes. If you select this point and if you select this one point, then it will come this side, but we have to make it inward, inside. That is why we have chosen that one. This side you choose, thereafter choose this one, make it constant. Now we have to make the vertical line, that should be of 10 millimeter. One more vertical line, let's make it. Here only line we have to make, it's very easy, that is why it is very easy. Only line we have to make both side, as it is not constant. As you can see, left one is not constant, make it constant easily. Now take the distance 10 millimeter, both one you take 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. Similarly take this one 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. Now our next task is to join here. Select this one, select here, make it constant here by joining this. Similarly select here, make it constant here by joining it. Okay, we have not chosen here point. One point here, one more point there, here point. Point, okay, chosen. Now next task is that again horizontal line, that should be of 5 millimeter. So let us go to the line option here. We have, so two lines should be there again of 5 millimeter. It's already constant, as you can see, pointing there. It's also constant now. Make it 5 millimeter, both side 5 millimeter. So let's make it 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter. This one also 5 millimeter. Now we have to join this point with this point and make it constant here. Similarly select this point, left one, thereafter this point, and make it constant here. Now again one vertical line we have to draw, and that should be of 17 millimeter, both side. So again take line here, line option, draw here one line, vertical line. Similarly draw one more line here. Okay, now as it is already constant, as you can see there, select this one, take the dimension 17 millimeter here. Take 17 millimeter, 17 millimeter. Here also take 17 millimeter, 17 millimeter. Now join here, make it constant, this point and this point, make it constant here. Similarly this point and this point, make it constant here, as you can see. Now again one horizontal line, we have to take here, that should be of 10 mm, right? That should be of 10 mm. Let's take one more horizontal line here. Let's take here horizontal line here, that both sides should be 10 mm. One line here we have. Okay, here also one more line here. Okay, what should be, it should be up 10 mm, make it 10 mm. First of all make it 10 mm, both sides it should be 10 mm, make it 10 mm. Now join this one, this point and this point, you have to join here. Let us join this. Now again this point and this point we have to join here. Let us join it. Okay, now we have to take one more line here. Here it should be, that should be of 18 millimeter. It should be the same distance as of this, and it should be in this y axis, right? So take one more line here. It is one of the easiest problem, but many students face difficult to draw it. But it is one of the easiest problem because we have to draw a line, and only line we have to draw it. Make it constant. Okay, we have made it constant. Now choose the dimension. It should be 18 mm, right? It should be 18 mm. 18 mm. Okay. Now choose this point, make it constant. Okay, we have made it. Now we have to make take two horizontal line again, both side, two horizontal line, this side one, this side one more. Okay, and both sides should be 2.5. So it is already constant as we can see. Now we have to take the dimension, horizontal dimension here, 2.5 here, take it 2.5 here, and this one also you take it 2.5, 2.5, both side 2.5 we have taken. Now we have to join here. Select this point, then select this point. Now make it constant here by joining it. Similarly select this point, again select this point and join it. Okay, as you can see your host pose, okay, nothing you can see what is the dimension. Don't worry, nothing will happen because while you choosing the pad option, this will not show here, so no problem is there. Now again we have to make one horizontal line. This is second last step. We have to make two horizontal line here. Second last step. Here one horizontal line, one more horizontal line. Okay, it is already constant. We have to make it 4 mm, both side 4 mm. Make it 4 mm. Make this one also 4 mm. Now join here this point and this point. Make it constant by joining it. Make it constant here. Okay, similarly this point and this point, make it constant by joining it. Now last step is that we have to make this diagonal line here, and we have to join both the line. So take the line option here, make here in a diagonal shape. Here we are not to choose any dimension, just make it in a diagonal way, in appropriate diagonal way. Now select this option, make it constant here. Similarly select this option, make it constant here. Similarly select this option, make it constant here. Similarly again once more select this option, make it constant here. One thing we have to do, if we want to remove this line, we had removed this line to make this line, right? To make this line we have made this horizontal line of 5 mm, 2.5 this side we have made this horizontal line we have chosen on this y-axis, but we have not to keep it. That is why one last step we have to do, that we have to remove this line, delete this line. Okay, we have deleted this line. Now we have made this one, close this. Okay, now go to pad option. Okay, this is our drawing. As you can see, this is our drawing. This is what we have to make. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. Once more, thank you for watching.